Jordan 1 High OG remains a timeless icon, and in spring 2026, Jordan Brand continues its legacy with the upcoming Psychic Blue edition. This fresh release will be offered exclusively in women's and children's sizes, supporting the brand's ongoing effort to diversify its offerings beyond men's exclusive drops. Reportedly, the new colorway features a soft blend of pale ivory, psychic blue, and coconut milk, creating a seasonal, lifestyle-driven look ideal for spring. While no official photos have been released, speculative mock-ups provide an early look at the expected tones and design direction. As of now, the final color blocking and material choices have yet to be confirmed. Early visuals should be seen as placeholders, with the final product likely to include notable changes. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Psychic Blue is set to launch in spring 2026 through Nike.com and select retailers, exclusively in women's and children's sizing.